of the PrepPartner, it has three main goals projected and marketed to users: personalizing their goals, allowing them to track their progress, and of course, giving them access to expert resources, which are exactly the things that the teams, meaning I, discovered throughout user interviews, etc. So to start off with those unfamiliar with the prep cycle, a pageant journey, people we've discovered are either new to pageants or they've competed before. It asks these questions to help tailor an AI recommendation based off of their answers. With different pageant systems being available, prompting the user to select one that they are competing in is critical, which then leads to ask what areas of competition they will be focusing in. Many competitions have custom areas, so for example, they could add here a custom area, should that be science experiment or whatever else, as many pageants have different goals. It then asks the user to rate their goals, and doing so on a scale of very easily asking them what needs work to being very confident in is a very critical step, as it informs the AI to provide recommendations, and of course asking additional goals that they have, like growing their personal brand, improving their professional, etc. Professional presence are important. Next are looking at what their biggest focus areas are, and in looking at this, it's important to focus that sometimes pageant competitors, if we found, are very bad at prioritizing what they need. So automatically adding in suggestions like, hey, you said this needed work in prior steps is important, and of course feels like this is a team player on their team. So lastly, asking what their competition date is important, as this informs the algorithm for creating their custom roadmap, and with continuing forward, they're able to see their custom roadmap based off of feedback and prior competition cycles of successful to-do lists. The AI creates this automatically and then shows their customized dashboard here. So to give a little bit of a tour of this, the dashboard design is based off of iterations of many user interviews, starting off with a key prioritized feature of what to do next. Again, with prioritization and facilitating that being easy. Practicing interview questions, for example, was based off of this user's goals. Next are daily quick actions. These are very important things that this title holder should focus on, and the AI builds them out, different ones every single day, and gives the title holder the option to do them very quickly and check them off and stay consistent. Next, with the milestone roadmap, with every user getting a customized milestone, they're able to see, for example, what all their milestones are, what's ahead, and edit their roadmap. For example, if a user wants to edit how many times they do a mock interview, for example, if they want less days between sessions or they want more days between their public appearance or volunteer sessions. Again, these are two important areas of competition for them. They're able to change that and the roadmap adjusts. They're also able to add customized milestones, for example, by editing and changing, as well as helping them make sure that they're on track. This is one of the most important things that contestants desired and that we tailored to users.